Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time Design Team project. So starting out, I am using this fun Valentine's paper pack, and I am using this one right here, that darker pink, really cute paper pack. From the Giant Ginger Girl, I am using her body, of course, and then the icing and the little hair bun, as well as the icing there. Really cute set. And then from the Giant Ginger Accessories, I'm using her little crown there and the mirror and its accessories, as well as the dress and its accessories. All right, and then from the Giant Ginger, I am using this face right here, just super cute. And then from the pretty old scallop ovals, I am using this right here as a shadow. And then from this set, which is the cookie cutter stamps, I'm using the Happy Valentine's Day. And then from her more sentiment strips, I am using this one here. All right, let me show you this adorable card. It is a 5x7 card, not a card not the size I normally make, but I wanted her in a card to kind of display all of her glory there. She's adorable. I did use some white gel pen to add the little accents on her eyes as well as on her cheeks. I did ink her up with Distress ink. I want to say it was tea dye and walnut stain, I think, is what I used. I use white glitter paper to for her crown and mirror and some of the accents on her dress. Just adorable. And of course, what is a crown without bling? Had to add the bling as well as in her dress and on the mirror. And I put her on a blue background paper. The hearts came from the crown, and so I just spread those around along with some little bling. And then there goes that Happy Valentine's Day, and that is popped up. And so I did not finish off the inside of the card, at least not yet. So, but I thought she turned out adorable, and so I will have my creative links down below, as well as my design team sisters, and all of the information about the products that I use down below, so you can go over and get yours. And so that is all I have for you. Make sure you check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.